So, you've got a spaceship, huh? Fancy. But have you ever wondered where to find your spaceship tax statement? It's a question that might not cross your mind every day, but it's a crucial one. Let's dive into the cosmic bureaucracy of space taxation. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's clarify a few things. First, not everyone who owns a spaceship is subject to space taxes. It depends on various factors like the ship's size, its purpose, and the specific regulations of the celestial body you're registered with. Second, while the concept of space taxation might seem futuristic, it's actually a serious matter. As space exploration and colonization progress, governments and intergovernmental organizations are developing frameworks to regulate and tax activities in space. Finding your spaceship tax statement. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Where can you find your spaceship tax statement? The answer depends on where your ship is registered. Intergalactic Revenue Service, IRS. Online portal. The IRS has a user-friendly online portal where you can access your tax statements, pay taxes, and file returns. Mobile app. The IRS also offers a mobile app for quick and easy access to your tax information on the go. Physical office. If you prefer a more traditional approach, you can visit an IRS office. However, be prepared for long queues and potential bureaucratic hurdles. Planetary tax authorities. Local tax offices. If your ship is registered on a specific planet, you'll need to check with the local tax authorities. These could be government agencies or private organizations authorized to collect taxes. Online portals. Many planetary tax authorities have online portals where you can access your tax statements and other relevant information. Space agency portals. NASA, ESA, Roscosmos, etc. These space agencies might have portals or databases where you can find information about your ship's registration and any associated taxes. Tips for finding your spaceship tax statement. Check your ship's onboard computer. Your ship's computer might have a section dedicated to financial matters, including tax information. Consult your ship's pilot or engineer. They might have insights into where to find your tax information. Contact your insurance provider. Your insurance provider might have access to your ship's registration and tax information. While the idea of a spaceship tax statement might seem strange, it's a reality that's quickly becoming part of our future. By understanding where to find your tax statement and staying up to date with the latest regulations, you can ensure smooth sailing through the cosmic bureaucracy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.